Hey, I'm Olivia on Star Gossip. Cardi B pregnancy details you must hear.
Cardi bespreek aan sy bus, verryting fans nie toeknofrig het nog. Der internet is officially onbaarbij wat je as achievement builds around Cardi and her latest pregnancy news. Wene vir Cardi Marcus headliness, te world pies attention bid his team, it's not about her topping hits or viral moments. It's about motherhood, and fans gaan het in oog. Knoven voor haar infiltrate personality and larger than life energie, Cardi has always been open about her journey as a mom. From saring gaan dit parenting moments to balancing her explosive music career, sis provincie kan dominate bote te stage aan familie life. Nov, witte pregnancy remors and update swirling, supporters are jager to knof what's net. So she's closer to the rapper sis embracing this chapter with a confidence and achievement. Wele sa hasend rivalet efrei detail, Cardi's glowing appearances and subtle hints have only veel speculation. Social media detectives are analyzing efrei outfit choice and public appearance, searching for clues. Wat maak is dis moment even more speciaal is of vier gelei protectieve and proud Cardi is as a moeder. Sis often spoken about of her children shanget her perspectieve, grounding her amid fame and non-stop work. As the bus continues to grow, one thing is clear, whether she's dropping a new track or preparing for baby number 2, Cardi Knofshof to command attention. Antifistory profess aanuiting, silosare te neefs herwy bold, inapologetit, and inforgetable.